Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to verify your phone number for an OpenAI API key using MobileSMS.io. If you're looking to keep your personal number private, this is the guide for you. Let's dive right in. First, head over to MobileSMS.io and create an account. MobileSMS.io offers temporary non-VoIP numbers, ideal for API verifications. Next, choose between a one-time use or long-term rental number. For OpenAI, a one-time use number usually works great, but if you need extended privacy, go for a long-term number. Now, top up your MobileSMS.io account. Prices start as low as $3.50 for a one-time use number. Long-term rentals vary, depending on the duration you choose. Once you've got your number, head over to the OpenAI website and log in. Navigate to the API keys section in your dashboard and enter the temporary or long-term number you got from MobileSMS.io. OpenAI will send you a verification code. Check your MobileSMS.io dashboard for the code, then enter it on the OpenAI platform, and voila! You now have your OpenAI API key. Why use MobileSMS.io? It enhances your privacy, protects you from spam, and ensures seamless verification. It's like having a second mobile phone, without the hassle of managing a physical device. If you prioritize maximum privacy, consider a long-term number from MobileSMS.io. It's a secure, flexible option that keeps your personal data private. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to verify your phone number for an OpenAI API key using MobileSMS.io. Keep your personal number safe and enjoy the benefits of secure API access. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.